Good morning everyone. Today I have prepared a video on beginning consonant blends. Blends is basically combination of two sounds without any vowel in between, like B, L, blur, C, H, ch, S, H, sh, T, H, th, W, H, wa, S, P, spur, एस टी स्टर। तो इस तरह से इंग्लिश यूजेज में बहुत सारी साउंड ब्लेंड्स हैं जिनकी लिस्ट कुछ इस तरह से है, बट ये कंप्लीट नहीं है। ये अभी थोड़े से बेसिक साउंड ब्लेंड्स हैं जो ज़्यादातर यूज़ होते हैं, जैसे च, श, थ, व, फ, ब्ल, क्ल, फ्ल, स्ल, प्ल, ग्र, ट्र, ब्र, ड्र, क्र, एटसेट्रा एंड सो ऑन। तो बेसिकली ये उन बच्चों के लिए फ़ायदेमंद है। दिस वीडियो इज़ बेनिफिशियल फॉर दोज चिल्ड्रन who are learning to read small sentences, small paragraph. They usually come across these sound blends. So basically I have prepared booklets on 6 to 7 sound blends which I'll show you one by one, and children need to practice these blends for reading effectively and so that they can read effectively. I'll show you. I have prepared these booklets from waste sheets which were there in my home. You can also make a combined booklet of either 3 sounds, 4 sounds, or maybe one booklet at a time. So now I'll show you how to go about it. This is for CH sound, means ch. Beginning sound is ch. Cheese, chick, chips, chair, chocolate, chalk, etc. For sh sound, these I have prepared a list of those words which are most commonly used. There can be more words with each blend, but I have prepared a booklet of about 5 to 6 commonly used words like shoes, ship, sheep, shirt, sharp, shell. One with th, thumb. 3. It can be, I have mentioned only 3. It can be 13 and it can be 30 also. Thorn, think, Thomas, thief. Similarly, I have prepared for blends like claw, fra, slur. For claw, let me show you what are the common pictures I have drawn. Clock, cloud, clown, clap, clip. For fra, I'll show you fries. Basically, children love going to McDonald's and everyone is familiar with French fries. So I have made picture of fries. Fridge, frog, fruits. I forgot to write the name here. It's fruits. For SL, slippers, slide, sleeve, sleep, and slice. One more with GR, grapes, green, grass, grey, and grill. GL, gloves, globe, glue, globe, glasses, glass. With BR, brown, broom, brush, brain, bread, brick. With BL, blocks. Children are very much familiar with blocks as they play with it and use it very frequently. Blue, black, blood, blanket. That's it. These booklets are just an example ki how we can prepare these booklets and use with our children. Basically, one thing is very important with any kind of academic work is that not only these booklets give practice, frequent reading is very much necessary for the child to get fluency in the language, And one more thing is very important, that related to the booklet, we need to have worksheets. We need to have a lot of repetitive practice so that children get familiar with the concept. So lot of practice is required through worksheets. I have prepared few worksheets here. These are simple ones. I have used 2 sound blends at a time, like cr and claw. I have drawn various pictures related, mixed pictures of the 2 sound blends. The child has to identify each picture and write the appropriate blend in the column given. Like this is crayon, crab, crown, crocodile, crow, clown, clock, cloud, clap, clip, climb. This is not a mixed one. Otherwise, I have made this one like mixed. Pictures are mixed both ways, and child has to find the appropriate sound blends out of the 2 and fill in the blank. Like this is grapes, gray, grocery, gloves, GL, gloves, grid, globe, graph, glass, grass, grill. Then CH and SH, ship, cheese, cherry, shoes, chalk, sheep, church, shark, chair, chocolate, chick. This is just an example. Now, similarly, I have prepared for BR and BL. Then, when the child is familiar with so many kind of sound blends, then we can give a worksheet like this, which is a mixture of more than 2 sound blends. Like I have used here sound blends like stir, spur, snur, gr, glur, br, blur, fr, flur, ch, cr, tr, br. The child has to see the picture and circle the appropriate sound blend in this. Like this is star, the child will circle this. This is snake, the child will circle this. Glass, child will circle this. Clock, child will circle CL. Similarly, we can make worksheet like this also. So many blends are given in a block and child has to see the picture. I have this is for green. I have not colored this because if I color it and when it is photocopied, it will be black in photocopy. Similarly, grass. So this I have not colored pictures like these, which are color based, so that when the sheet is photocopied, it is blank, and at the moment the teacher is teaching, she can fill the color at that particular moment. So these are various worksheets which support the sound blends we have taught to the child, and repeated practice needs to be given for this, for the child to master the sounds he is learning. Thank you.